How to add languages on LinkedIn. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add language skills to your LinkedIn profile using your mobile device. This tutorial guides you through the steps to showcase your multilingual abilities to potential employers and connections. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and open your LinkedIn application. So if you want to get noticed by international recruiters or connect with global audience, you gotta first of all click on your profile at the top left, and then you gotta click on your profile, and then you gotta click on your profile again. And here you gotta click on add section, and once you do so, you gotta click on additional, and here you gotta click on add languages. And then you gotta add specific language. For example, I'm gonna type this down. And then you gotta select your proficiency level, whether elementary, limited working, professional working, full professional, or native or bilingual. So I'm gonna choose full professional, and then you gotta click on save. And the question is, why is this important? So being multilingual isn't just a talent, it's a competitive edge. Many companies specifically look for professionals who can communicate in more than one language, especially for remote or international roles. So including languages on your profile enhance your profile's visibility in recruiters' searches, can significantly improve your hiring potential. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to upgrade your LinkedIn profile. So if this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.